Hi there, my name is Scott, and welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Greggs. When a storm is on the horizon, the last thing you might be thinking of is tape. But I'm here to talk about how hurricane tape could help save you and your home from a whole lot of damage. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina wreaked havoc in the United States. It was a Category 5 hurricane with storm surges of 6 meters, rainfall up to 380 millimeters, and wind speeds reaching 280 kilometers an hour. With the massive amount of destruction left behind, Bunker Industries recognized the need for an ultra-strong window protection system not only against flying glass, but as a way to minimize property damage by keeping water and debris out of your home. Hurricane tape was Bunker's solution to the rising need for protection against this natural disaster. While duct tape has been used for years in this application, hurricane tape proved there was room for improvement. This tape is made from woven polyethylene plastic and is also known as warp and weft tape. The tape is arranged in a weave pattern of right angles, just like a tarp, which makes it practically impossible to tear by hand. Hurricane tape is form-fitting, with up to 7 days of residue-free removal. Unlike other tapes, hurricane tape won't decay, flake, or dissolve in most situations and is water, mold, UV, and stain resistant. The most common use of hurricane tape is to limit the spread of glass if your windows shatter, particularly in severe windstorms or during hurricanes. To use hurricane tape, simply tape the inside of your windows, either covering the entire window with horizontal strips from top to bottom, or starting with an X shape from corner to corner, create a starburst in your window, continuing to add layers. The more coverage, the better your protection. Let me show you how well this tape holds up against the competition. With full coverage, hurricane tape keeps the shattered glass where it should be, outside your home. Duct tape, on the other hand, can't quite hold up in comparison. Even with the common star pattern and 50% coverage, it's obvious which tape comes out on top. But protection against heavy wind and rain isn't the only thing hurricane tape is good for. It's great for packing and moving, general household repairs, temporary repairs for vehicles, and tarps, along with securing items such as ladders, bins, and lumber. As an all-purpose sturdy tape, hurricane tape can be used in most general applications. However, since hurricane tape was originally designed for use on windows, it works best on smooth, flat surfaces. Here at Greggs, we carry hurricane tape in 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch rolls. So if you're looking for a sturdy addition to your household or toolbox, look no further. Remember, if you have any other questions about this tacky tape, please don't hesitate to call us or stop in for a complimentary coffee while you talk to our friendly counter staff. You can also visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Scott, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs. Don't forget to have a great Canadian day.